Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into Jupiter? The giant of our solar system, Jupiter, has long been an object of fascination. An enormous planet, so large it could house over 1,000 Earths, it captures our imagination and curiosity. Unlike our home planet, Jupiter is composed predominantly of gases, a swirling, tumultuous sea of mystery. But what if we could plunge into its depths? What sights and sensations might await us? Well, let's take a hypothetical journey to unravel this mystery. First things first, you might want to brace yourself because this journey is anything but smooth. Welcome to Jupiter's atmosphere, a realm of extreme weather conditions that put Earth's most violent storms to shame. Here, high-speed winds whip around at astonishing speeds, reaching more than 200 miles per hour. These winds are no mere gusts. They form intricate and vast bands of clouds that stretch across the planet, creating a stunning, albeit intimidating tapestry of swirling hues. Among this atmospheric chaos, one storm stands out in particular: the Great Red Spot. This is a tempest so large that it could swallow Earth 2 times over. It's a swirling vortex of crimson, a storm that has been raging for at least 300 years. Just imagine, a storm on Earth lasting for centuries. Unfathomable, isn't it? But what exactly is this atmosphere made of? Primarily, it's composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the Sun. However, it's not just these two elements. Jupiter's atmosphere also carries traces of other compounds. There's methane, the same gas that cows on Earth produce, and water, the essence of life as we know it. Alongside these, there's ammonia, a compound used in earthly cleaning products, and even phosphine, a deadly gas. Quite the cocktail, wouldn't you agree? This gaseous atmosphere is divided into several layers. The outermost layer is the troposphere, where all the weather happens. Beneath that is the stratosphere, then the thermosphere, and finally the exosphere. Each layer has its unique composition and characteristics, contributing to the planet's overall volatile nature. Jupiter's atmosphere is a marvel, a testament to the universe's capacity for creating environments that are simultaneously beautiful and terrifying. It's a world where the ordinary rules of terrestrial weather do not apply, where storms can last for centuries, and where the air itself is a mix of elements that are both familiar and alien. But what happens once we move past this turbulent and gaseous atmosphere? Let's dive deeper. As we descend further, the atmosphere's pressure and temperature rise drastically. This is where Jupiter begins to reveal its true nature. We're entering a realm where the rules of matter as we know them start to bend, giving birth to a sea of metallic hydrogen. This is not your everyday hydrogen that we have on Earth. This is hydrogen under such immense pressure that it takes on a form that's neither gas, liquid nor solid, it's metallic. Imagine a hydrogen atom being squeezed so hard that its electrons break free from their orbits, allowing them to flow freely like a sea of electric charge. This is what we call a metallic state. Now, this metallic hydrogen is not just an exotic form of matter. It's the powerhouse of Jupiter's intense magnetic field. The freely moving electrons within this sea create electric currents, and these currents generate a magnetic field that extends far into space, making Jupiter the owner of the strongest magnetic field in the solar system. This layer of metallic hydrogen is vast, extending for tens of thousands of kilometers. It's a realm of extreme heat and pressure, a place where the familiar forms of matter are transformed into something utterly alien. And finally, after surviving the storms, winds, and sea of metallic hydrogen, we reach Jupiter's core. Welcome to the heart of Jupiter, the core. This is where our journey within Jupiter takes a mysterious turn. Scientists theorize that the core of this gas giant is about 3 to 20 times the mass of Earth. Now that's no small potato. The composition of Jupiter's core is a topic of intense debate. Some believe it to be composed of heavy elements, possibly rock or metal, while others propose a core made up of exotic materials such as metallic hydrogen or helium rain. The temperature, well, it's hotter than the surface of the Sun, estimated to be around 36,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt any spacecraft we might send its way. But here's the catch. All of these are theories. The harsh realities of Jupiter's immense pressure and temperature make it impossible for us to probe its inner secrets directly. So, it's safe to say, a fall into Jupiter would be a one-way trip filled with unforgettable sights and, well, extreme conditions that make it anything but a soft landing. So there you have it, a hypothetical journey into the heart of Jupiter. We've braved the stormy, unforgiving atmosphere, swam through the sea of metallic hydrogen and reached the mysterious core. Each phase of this journey has presented us with the vast complexities and wonders of Jupiter. While it's a trip we won't be booking anytime soon, it's always fascinating to explore the wonders of our solar system, even if it's just in our imagination.